Time. Ready? Fight!
Kachernik in the blue and Zhao in the red. Zhao immediately faking that leg. Goes with a stiff jab. Inside kick. But it's Kachernik putting on the pressure. Oh,
Zhao
nice.
With a beautiful cross counter.
Nice engagement here. Oh, but Kachernik shoots, gets the takedown. Can he keep Zhao down? Got wrist control.
With one single butterfly hook. Sıйmık Kachernik controlling well here on the ground. The crowd getting behind the local fighter, Chжикан.
Zhao should not let him trap that hand with the other arm.
Biz ар башкабыз, бирок бизди бириктирип турган үй бүлөбүз. Үй бүлө бул жүрөктөрдү бириктирип турган эң ишенимдүү түйүн. О мобилдик операторунун үй бүлө премиум тарифы. Бул болгону 1990 сомго чексиз байланыш менен 3 сим-карта, секундасына 500 мегабитке чейинки ылдамдыктагы үйдөгү интернет жана телевидение. Бүтүндөй үй бүлөңүздүн мобилдик байланышы менен үйдөгү интернетти бир айда бир эле жолу төлөңүз. Үй бүлө ар дайым биринчи орунда.
Sıймык Kachernik looking to wrap up Zhao's arm behind his back. Zhao being able to fight that one off. Kachernik firing shots to the body now. He's got that wrist now behind his back. Zhao's able to break it off though. Good work by Zhao. Still hasn't eaten too much damage from this position. It's still early in the round.
Yeah, Kachernik on top here, already in a half round, sitting up pretty high, confident in his top game control. Zhao holding on, not allowing him to do too much damage.
Sıйmık Kachernik maintaining this solid top control, firing an elbow there.
We see here Zhao trying really hard to both alleviate any damage taken, but also make it hard for Kachernik to do damage. Double butterflies there for Zhao. He's going to try to explode out. The hand on the back.
Zhao recently making the move from Xi'an to Beijing, where he's training at least temporarily with the Black Tiger fight team. Beautiful work from Zhao to pop out of that position, but now he's got to watch for the choke. Sıйmık Kachernik pops in the hooks. He's got the back now.
Already on the back. We see Zhao trying to turn. Kachernik has that body triangle. Oh no, this isn't looking good.
Sıйmık Kachernik trying to crank on the chin of Chжикан with enough force from that position. You can still put someone to sleep. Now he's got the hand under the chin.
This is not good. Zhao needs to hold the other hand, not allow him to connect those hands. Very good from Zhao.
From Zhao to defend a tight submission threat.
Another 1.5 minutes left in this first round.
Tight body triangle from Sıйmık Kachernik, making it difficult for Zhao to pop out of this position. Still, Zhao doing a great job of defending, but you got to believe that the points are going to the blue corner in this round so far.
Yeah, I mean, and we've seen, oh no, this is also looking dangerous. Zhao's chin he does tuck that chin pretty well, but what if he's playing with fire here?
Sıйmık Kachernik continues to relentlessly look for a grip under the chin. Zhao doing a great job of fighting it off, but it's tough, tough work.
He's going for like a warm one-arm rear naked choke here.
Zhao punching the face. He's got to protect that neck. Pries off the threatening choking arm. As the clock continues to run down, heel strikes to the thigh there from Sıйmık Kaçırmak.
10 seconds left. Got to be happy if you're in Zhao's corner here. That's going to go to the second round, I believe. The crowd shouting the last 10 seconds.
Ready, fight!
Round 2, they touch gloves.
The fight got to the ground with a beautiful double leg from Sıйmık Kaçırmak.
Nice calf kick from Zhao.
Scoring
Cross
here.
his left body kick. He's going to circle out, get away from the cage. He shows the knee there. Oh, it's a big right hand on the exit there. Now it's Zhao!
Oh my God! Zhao Zhikan with a beautifully timed level change takes down the wrestler.
Now he's on top.
Zhao looking to pass the guard. He's secured side control. A change of ties. Totally different than what we saw in round 1. Zhao on the offensive here.
And we see Zhao on top.
Sıйmık Kaçırmak recovering full guard.
Watch out for Sıйmık Kaçırmak. Kaçırmak has good leg locks and he has good transition into those positions, but man, Zhao's looking good. That double leg surprised me, and he's got very good pressure from top. He might choose to let him stand up. Oh no, he goes back down again.
Avoiding the up kicks and sliding back.
Oh,
look at this!
Almost got the back.
Zhao's got the back! This is crazy!
Back. Can he get the other hook in? He does!
Now it's a taste of your own medicine, perhaps. Sıйmık Kaçırmak is the one who's got to fight off the chokes from the back. A scramble, and now Sıйmık Kaçırmak stands back to his feet, peppering with a knee there, and he drags Zhao Zhikan to the ground. He's looking to put the hooks in.
He already got both hooks in.
Zhao did a great job of fighting off the submissions from this position in round 1. Will he be able to do it as successfully in the second round?
Zhao's really good at defending those, but surely you don't want to stay in this position for too long.
Now
this looks like it's in.
Oh!
That's it. Very good job from
Sıйmık Kaçırmak gets the submission finally. After he was hunting for it the entire first round, had to defend some of his own in round 2, but came back, took the back, and finally got what he was looking for, the rear naked choke victory. Congratulations on an impressive.
选手朱尔迪斯别克乌鲁西米克别克，第二回合2分24秒，使用背后裸脚降服获胜。